touch of technology is the reality of dream. Welcome on Accessible Resource YouTube channel. Friends, this is our third video on ToolNova Next. We have done earlier Tool Fusion AI, where we have discussed all the tools powered by AI. So in this video, we will discuss about Smart Utility Tool. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to set the notification to all for getting our unique videos latest update. If you have not yet joined on our Telegram and WhatsApp community, please join. Link of our WhatsApp community and Telegram channel is available in the About section of our YouTube channel. So friends, without wasting our time, let's get start the video. For this video, I am going to open ToolNova Next.
Recents. 1. 2. Tech Freedom. Open ToolNova Next.
I am
Chrome 100%.
opening ToolNova Next. Now I am swiping left to right quickly to reach the desired options.
Good evening. Created. We will continue. Join us on time, date, battery, toggle Tool Fusion AI. Open Tool Fusion AI.
Open Tool Fusion AI. We have already discussed about it.
Smart Utility Tool.
Yes, now the second tab is Smart Utility Tool. Today we will discuss about it. Swiping.
Open Smart Utility Tool.
Open Smart Utility Tool. Just click on that. Okay, I have opened the Smart Utility Tool. Now I am swiping left to right to show you the interface.
Welcome to Smart Utility Tool, proudly created by the Accessible Resource team to make your tasks easier, faster, and smarter.
Okay, it is created by Accessible Resource team.
Toggle Dark Light Mode.
Toggle Dark Light Mode.
Search Tools. Text box.
Tools.
List.
List.
One simple calculator.
First option is available here after list is simple calculator. Let us click on that.
100%.
Now the function of simple calculator is very easy and accessible for the visually impaired people. You can easily access swiping left to right. Let us check.
Simple calculator.
Okay, simple calculator.
First number.
First number.
Enter first number spin button.
Here I am going to enter my first number. First number is
1, 3, 5, 4.
Okay, now swiping left right.
Enter the first number for your calculation.
Okay.
Second number.
Second number.
Enter second number spin button.
Enter second number spin button. I am going to enter second number. 3.
Show safe password 3,
4.
1, 4,
5.
2, 5,
2.
2.
Okay. After entering the second number, I am swiping left to right.
Show saved payment methods.
So saved in method.
Show saved addresses.
So saved address.
Simple calculator.
Okay.
First number 1354.
Okay.
Enter the first number for your second number.
Okay.
3452. Enter the second number for your calculation.
Okay.
Mathematical operations.
Now we have to select mathematical operations.
Unchecked addition.
Uncheck addition.
Unchecked subtraction.
Subtraction.
Unchecked multiplication.
Now I am clicking here on multiplication.
Unchecked division.
Division.
Calculate result.
So there are a lot of things available.
Unchecked multiplication.
Just click on multiplication. You can able to click addition, division, subtraction as well.
Selected operation. Multiplication.
Okay, I am going to multiply with these numbers.
Unchecked division. Calculate result.
Just click on that. Calculate result.
1354x3452 equals 4674008.
Wow. Within a fraction of millisecond, it has generated us good response. Okay, swiping left to right.
Result. 4674. Open the home page.
Open the home page. So these is the options available here. I'm going back. Okay, now swiping left to right to explore other options.
Home. Welcome. Talk. Search. List. One simple. 2 age calculator.
Now age calculator. This is very easy for us to calculating age right now. Earlier we have
100%.
count one by one, but now it is very easy and countable as well. So I am swiping left to right.
Day.
Day
Spin button.
day spin button. Here I am going to enter my day. Okay,
Month. Day spin button.
just click on day spin button.
9. 5. 8. 0. 0. 5. 5.
Okay,
Month.
month
Spin button.
I am going to enter month.
2. 2.
Okay,
Year. 2. Year spin button.
I am going to enter year.
1. 1. 6. 9. 9. 9. 9. 6. 6.
Okay,
Calculate age.
just click on calculate age. I have clicked on calculate age and the result is already generated for us. Let us check.
Your age is 29 years.
29 years.
2
2
months.
month
27
27
days.
days. 29 years, 2 months, 27 days. Wow. Calculative result have been found here.
Open the home page.
Open the home page. So this is the option available here. I am going back.
Back.
Now swiping quickly to reach into the third tools.
Home. Well, top, search, lit. One simple 2 age calculator.
We have explored it.
3 love meter.
Love meter. This is very important and interesting and funny calculator also. It will
100%.
count your love percent. Wow. Let us check.
Love meter.
Love meter.
Developed by SM Ripon and Team Accessible Resource.
Developed by SM Ripon and Team Accessible Resource. Well,
This is a funny love calculator meant just for entertainment.
okay.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
This is not based on any real comparison, just for fun and smiles.
Okay.
Enter your name text box.
Here I am going to enter my name.
Capital A. Capital A. H. J. J. O. U. T. R. Y. Ajoy.
Okay. I have entered my name.
Enter crush's name text box.
Crush's name. I want to enter crush's name.
Capital K. Capital K. A. A. M.
Muchun.
M. M. A. A. L. L.
Okay.
Calculate love.
Calculate love. Just click on that. Calculate love. I have clicked on that. Now let us swipe left to right.
Ajoy Red Heart Kamal.
Okay.
Love score.
Love score.
19%.
19%. What? What happens? This love is not going to have a very strong bonding. It is just 19%. But it is funny. Very funny.
Oops. Maybe stay friends?
Maybe.
Index HTML.
Okay.
Open the home
So
page.
these is the options. I'm going back again to explore the rest tools.
Home. Well, top, search, list. One simple calculator.
Simple calculator,
2 age calculator.
age calculator,
3 love meter.
love meter. These three tools are explored by me earlier.
4 strong password generator.
Now strong password generator. I am clicking on that.
Password copy to clipboard.
Okay. Swiping left to right.
Secure.x. Add 5. Secure pass generator.
Secure pass generator.
.x. Add 5. L equals G. X. Regenerate.
It is earlier password. Actually, when you open this tools for the first time, a password was automatically generated by the tools. So if you want to regenerate again, just click on regenerate. Otherwise, swipe left to right.
Copy.
Copy.
Password length.
Password length
12 characters.
12 character.
Customize password.
Customize password.
Select character types.
Select character types.
Password strength.
Just leave it as it is.
Strong.
Strong.
Generate password.
Just click on generate password. A new password is already generated.
Password copied to clipboard.
You can able to copy from
Open
here.
the home page. View site information. Accessible resort. New tab. See 13 tabs. Customize and secure pass generator. TQJ. ARQ6XPM text box.
Okay, so this is the new generated password. Okay, if you want to regenerate again, just click on the button regenerate. So I'm going back right now.
Back. Home. Well, top. Search tools.
Swiping left
Text
to right.
box. List. 1, 2, 3, 4 strong password generator.
Okay,
5 global time converter.
just click on that global time converter.
100%.
This is a kind of application by which you can able to convert the global time from any other country to any other country. Okay, swiping left to right.
From time zone.
From time zone, here I have to select from time zone from where I want to convert my global time.
London, Europe.
London is selected here. I
Selected
am
London,
just
Europe.
going to select
1 check London, Europe. 2 uncheck Paris, Europe.
Paris.
Chrome.
I have selected Paris.
Selected Paris. To time zone. London, Europe.
Here to time zone means to which country I want to convert this global time. So London is here selected. Just click on that.
1 check
Here I
London,
am going
2
to-
uncheck Paris. 3 uncheck Dhaka. 4 uncheck Tokyo. 3 uncheck Dhaka. Chrome.
Here I have selected Dhaka in Bangladesh. Let us check if in London the time is right now indicating at the same point in Bangladesh. What is the time?
Selected Dhaka, Asia. Convert time.
Just click on convert time.
Copy time to clipboard.
Okay,
Reset. From time, Paris, Europe. Reset.
unable to reset from here.
From time, Paris, Europe.
Okay,
20 hours, 21 minutes, and 24 seconds.
means 20 hours 21 minutes and 24 seconds. 8 hours 21 minutes and 24 seconds at London right now. The exact time is.
To time,
Let
Dhaka,
us check
Asia.
in Dhaka. What is the time right now in Dhaka?
0 hours, 21 minutes, and 24 seconds.
0 hours 21 minutes and 24 seconds means it is already 12 o'clock. It is already at night. That's why it is saying 0 hours.
Copy time to clipboard.
Copy time to clipboard. Here you can able to copy.
Open the home page.
Open the home page. So I am going back again
Back.
to explore the rest of the tools.
Home. Well, top. Search. List. 1, 2, 8, 3 love me. 4 strong password. 5 global time 6 currency converter.
Okay, now the next tool is currency converter.
100%.
Okay, I have selected and I have clicked on currency converter. Now I am swiping left to right.
Amount.
Enter
the amount spin button.
Here you have to enter first the amount. I am going to enter the amount.
1, 6,
16
from currency.
from currency. Here I
USD.
select currency. By default USD is selected. If you click on that, you can able to get many kind of currency. But here by default USD is selected. I am just leaving it USD.
Selected USD.
Okay.
To currency.
To currency.
BTT.
PTT. If you click on that, many currencies will available here also. You can select here by double tapping according to your own preferences. I am not going to select anything, just I am leaving it as it is.
Selected BTT. Convert.
Okay. Just click on convert.
16 US dollars equals 1943.52 BTT.
Okay, so listen that how beautifully it has generated or it has converted the currency from USD to PTT. So there are many things available in this website ToolNova Next, which is amazing, and we are very proud of our team Accessible Resource for giving us such a kind of beautiful and impactful, helpful website for the blind people. Okay, swiping left to right.
16 US dollars equals Open the home page.
Okay, this is the options available
Back.
here. Now I am swiping quickly left to right to show you the last options which is available here.
Home. Welcome. Talk. Search. List. 1. 2 age count. 3 love meter. 4 strong password. 5 global time. 6 currency 7 baby name generator.
Okay, now the last tool is baby name generator. It helps you to create or to generate a name for your baby.
100%.
Check out again. Swipe
Baby name generator.
baby name generator.
Find the perfect name for your little one.
Find the perfect name for your little ones. Okay.
Marriage type.
Marriage type. Here you have to select marriage type.
Select marriage type.
Just click on select marriage type. Now swiping left to right.
Arranged marriage.
Arrange marriage.
Love marriage.
Love marriage. Here I am going to select love marriage. Okay.
Baby name generator.
Baby name generator.
Find the perfect name for your little marriage type. Love marriage. Baby's gender.
Very well. Now you have to select baby's gender.
Check male.
If you click on check male, you will get gender.
Unchecked female. Your name.
Just click on uncheck female.
Unchecked female.
I'm going to
Checked.
check on female. Click on that.
Your name.
Your name.
Your name. Enter your name text box.
Your name. Enter your name text box. I'm just clicking here. I want to enter my name.
Capital A. Capital A. H. J. J. U. I. Aruprati. O. U. T. Y. Ajoy.
Okay, I have type
Partner's name.
partner save.
Partner's name. Enter partner's name text box.
Partner's name. Enter partner's name text box. Here I am going to open partner's name.
Capital P. Capital P. I. Y. U. U.
Okay. Now I am swiping left to right.
Generate baby names.
Generate baby names. I'm clicking on that. Generate baby name. It is generating. So there are many baby names have been given here by this website. Swiping left to right.
Suggested baby names.
Suggested baby names.
Ajoa.
Achla,
Anaya.
Anaya,
Piwacho.
Piocho,
Pinoy.
Pioy,
Avni.
Avni,
Sanvi.
Sanbi,
Advika.
Africa,
Anika.
Angika,
Ajoyo.
Ajoyo,
Ajopio.
Ajotiro,
Kiara.
Kiara,
Prisha.
Trisha.
Copyright 2023 baby name generator. All rights reserved.
Okay.
Open the home page.
So friends, these are the options available here. We have found that how beautifully this website has generated baby name for our babies in house. So friends, just go and choose beautiful name for your baby and just call him or her. She or he will respond you. So thank you friend. Thanks for joining us throughout the video. So please comment us and use this website ToolNova Next. Website link is available on our Telegram channel. So don't miss this website because this is very much accessible and helpful for the visually impaired people. Tata, goodbye. Have a good day.
Screen lock.